Hello, I'm so happy to see you guys again in this another video. Today's topic will be about my garden. It's actually my mom's garden. It is small actually. It's not that big, but I think she loves her garden. She's the one who usually take cares of it. She watered the plants daily and took care of her gardens weekly. So just grab some food and enjoy my video. I'm so sorry guys, I cannot make the video outside since it's raining heavily, so I have to make the video inside. The first section will be the vegetables. Here I have chili. I have 10 reasons why you should eat chili. The first one, it is filled with protein and it has a lot of fiber. The ingredients are packed with a lot of vitamin C, and the beans also have iron. Chilies can help lower your weight. Chilies can also elevate your endorphin and serotonin level. The ingredients in chili can reduce sugar and fat cravings. It also boosts your immune system. It can help to regulate your blood sugar, and chilies can also clear your congestion. Celery leaves and the moringa leaves, or we also can call it with its Latin name, Moringa oleifera. Studies shows that Moringa oleifera have a modest reduction in blood sugar and cholesterol. It also have antioxidants that and anti-inflammatory effects and protect yourself from, what is it called? I forgot. Oh yeah, it's the arsenic toxicity. The second section will be the herbs or spices. Here I have lemongrass, the rosemary plant, and the lemon leaves. As you can see, that is the lemon. And for this one, it's ginger, but I don't have the ginger since it's not growing yet. Ginger has antioxidants that prevent cell damage. There are also some evidence that ginger can help control blood sugar level for diabetes people without insulin. And for you guys, if you feel stressed because of your work, your homework, your test, ginger can help relieve stress. I think that's useful for you. Besides edible plants, I also have flowers. This one is called impatiens. I think I have flowers in my garden is to prettify my house. This one is called bougainville. I really love this one. The color is white. My mother called it Kamboja, but it also called as frangipani. Lantana is a perennial flowering plant in the verbena family. Lantana can be used full to relieve headache, cough, flu, or cold toothache, or even indigestion. This lantana plant is not that great because it's been falling down, but this one is the perfect lantana that my mother has take a picture of it, and it's very beautiful for me. The next plant will be the tabebuya. Tabebuya is a genus of flowering plant in the family of Bignoniaceae. Tabebuya is native to to the American tropics and subtropics of from Mexico and Caribbean to Argentina. Are you satisfied yet to see my garden? Thank you for following my video from the beginning until the end. I hope I can see you guys again in another video. Bye.